It's Thursday, and you know what that means, don't you? Kimmy's Kitchens and More. Oh, yeah. She's an awesome channel, and she always comes up with something wonderful to share. So please go check this channel out and see all the wonderful things she shares every single day with us. Now, new to me is anything new to you. Now, it doesn't mean it has to be brand new. It just means it's new to you. You put up a post about it. She does it every week. You can join in every week, once in a while. And I haven't been joining in for the last 3 or 4 weeks, so Grandma's getting back in the swing of things. Her husband is doing better. So, let's see what Grandma has to share today. Don't forget, this is an open collab. Anyone can join in. Just don't forget the hashtag New2Me. As you can see, Kimmy does lots of different content. She does Tea Tuesday, and I also join in with that. She gets a lot of friend mail. She joins in with a lot of different groups, does some grocery hauls, and does all kinds of shopping trips, and shares with you so much great content. And if you want a good friend, this is the channel you might want to think about joining. And here is New to Me, and she's sharing what is new to her. She also does budget meals under $5. Now, I do join in with this from time to time. I'm going to try to get back in the habit to doing it all the time. So we do join in on quite a different challenges for other channels. And of course, Tea Tuesday, as you know, is one of my favorites. Well, hope you enjoy my awesome friend, and please go check her out and see what other things she shares every week. Well, this is New to Me. This is a new coloring book, and it's large print, calming, easy coloring, and I can't wait to get in and color this book. Thought we'd do a little flip through today and share the pages with you. This is a new book, and it has 31 relaxing color pages. Let's get open the book and see what it has to share. Also, I like the way we have the ring binder on the edge to make it easy to open up and color the pages. And as you can see, everything is a large print, and I have not colored in too many books this big. Let's see how they turn out and how easy they are or hard to color. The first page you open up, it gives you inspiration on how to color the pages and how to do the different shadings and how it looks. This shows you the beginning, and this shows you the completed page. And this is the same way. This is starting and this is completed, giving you an idea what you can do and make everything pop off the page. Sit back and relax and just watch the flip through, and we'll go through these pages quick and easy. And I will try to get 1 or 2 pages colored for next Monday.